KC3PTC, this is W4GMN.
Gee, Dilio, you out here?
Yeah, roger, I'll get you in.
W4GMN and 3PEG.
There's a voice I recognize. Hey, Peg, sound good, 5'9". Were you trying to call me on 70 centimeters a moment ago?
No, that wasn't me. I'll get you logged on this one, though.
Alright, very good. Thanks, Peg. Thanks for the contact. W4GMN for WinterHeat.
AJ3DI, this is KC3SSG. I did hear you. Dan came in the way, and I can also make out Peg, I think, is audible as well. KC3SSG.
KC3PTC and 3PEG. Somebody else was talking. I will get you logged, KC3PTC.
Thank you, Peg. Have a great night. We'll catch you on 525.
KC3 SSG and 3 VCA.
N3VCA, this is KC3 SSG.
QSL 59.
Roger that. Please log me. I'll confirm it.
QSL. AJ3DI and 3 VCA.
N3VCA, this is Alpha Juliet 3 Delta India. Put me in your book.
Yeah, QSL.
KC3 UFO, KC3 TIQ.
KC3 TIQ, KC3 UFO, QSL.
KC3 UFO, KC3 TIQ, QSL, thanks for the contacts.
KC3 UFO and 3 VCA. Can I get you on 70 centimeters?
Yes, I just got it working today.
Oh.
Which one?
We'll start on 400, then move up to 700.
Got it.
KC3 UFO and 3 VCA.
N3 VCA, KC3 UFO.
QSL, you want me to log?
Yes, please.
And 3 VCA for WinterHeat. 15 seconds.
Is the ball going to drop? Is the ball going to drop? Sonny, W3GNF. The fat lady sings.
And we're done. Congratulations, guys. Everybody just take a moment and confirm all your contacts. That was interesting. That was so much fun. I had a lot of fun doing the contest. I made 697 contacts for a total of 6,898 points. Now, with that many points, that puts me in 74th position overall in the standings. That's really something to be proud of, considering this is my first contest. My shortest distance contact was only 1 mile, and my longest during a band opening was 107 miles to KC3 UXO. Now, I was also part of the W3QV repeater system that also did well in the standings. We had 5 guys in the top 100. I also want to give a thanks to KC3BVL for sending me his QSL card for a contact. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and stay tuned.